All right, this exercise over here, they're asking you to draw a tangent to this point X over there. All right, so a tangent means it's a line that's going to go at a 90-degree angle from a line that would be coming straight out of O going through X over there. Right, to do that, well, that's fairly easy. What we're going to do is we're going to take our pair of compasses, we're going to place them on X over there, and I make a little arc on that side and the same radius arc on this side over here. Once I've done that, I can extend my pair of compasses out a little bit, and I draw a little arc over there and an arc over there, and with the same radius I draw an arc over there and an arc over there, and I should be able to draw a tangential line going through point X, and you'll note that that gives me a 90-degree angle there as well. Right. Over here they say construct a tangent line for point B for this B circle at point X. Exactly the same story. You're going to draw a line coming out over here, line coming out over there. Take your pair of compasses, place it in over there, wind it back just a little bit. All right, make a little arc on that side, make a little arc on that side. So that space is equidistant from that. Place it at that point, extend your pair of compasses out a bit, okay? Make a little arc on that side, make a little arc on that side. Go to that point, make a little arc over there, make a little arc over there, and you should be able to draw a nice line, a tangent going through point X over there. Right, once you've done that, come in over here. It says, given a circle with a diameter of 80 millimeters and a point P, construct a tangential arc with the radius of 30 millimeters. Okay, so what I do now is I take my pair of compasses and I'm going to set them to a arc length of a radius of 30 millimeters. I go into P over here and I'm going to draw a little arc. Don't be shy with the length of that arc, it's a construction line arc. I'm then going to just draw a line coming out from here, anywhere out there, and I'm going to make a little mark on there. All right, so what did I do? I added 30 millimeters onto this radius over here. Once I've done that, I'm going to take this bigger pair of compasses and I'm going to set them to a radius with the radius of the circle plus the 30 millimeter radius that was given, and I'm going to arc that down onto this arc that I drew with the radius of 30 millimeters. I now take my pair of compasses and I set them to a radius of 30 millimeters, and I come into this point over here, and I should find that if I've worked accurately, it's touching the circle over there and it's touching the point over there, and I can draw a perfect little arc going from that point up to the circle. Right, once you've done that, the next one says that you've got a 60 millimeter circle and a line. All right, it says construct a tangential arc with a radius of 25 millimeters to the given circle. So I set my pair of compasses to 25 millimeters. Go to that line over there. I'm going to draw a little arc going around. That is 25 millimeters. I now take my pencil and I draw a construction line coming across, making a tangent to that line. Once I've done that, I'm now going to draw a little line coming out from the center of this, line coming out from the center of that, and I'm going to add that 25 millimeters onto that radius over there. Once I've done that, I'm going to take my bigger pair of compasses and I'm going to extend them out to that radius over there, and I arc that back until it intersects on that line over there. That's a construction line. Once I've done that, I then set my pair of compasses to a radius of 25 millimeters and I place it over there. Right, once I've done that, you should find that it will intersect perfectly with that And with that, and I can then draw in a line, an arc which comes round and just touches the circle and the line. There we go.